Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to our channel, the place where we break down the hottest careers in tech. Today, we're diving into a career that's making waves all over the world. RPA Developer, that's Robotic Process Automation for you. Imagine this, you're building software robots that save companies millions, work 24/7 without a single complaint, and turn you into the office superhero. Sounds exciting, right? Whether you're a complete beginner wondering what even is RPA, or an IT pro looking to level up your game, this video is your full-tude. We're covering skills, tools, salaries, certifications, challenges, a day in the life of an RPA developer, future trends, everything. It's a long, detailed deep dive, so grab your favorite snack, make a cup of tea or coffee, smash that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and let's get started. So let's start with the basics. What is RPA? Robotic Process Automation. It's all about software robots that take over the boring, repetitive tasks we humans usually do. Think copying data from emails to spreadsheets, processing invoices, or setting up meeting schedules. These bots do exactly what you do on your computer, clicking buttons, typing text, pulling info from websites, but they do it at lightning speed without a single mistake, and they don't need breaks, coffee, or anything. Why is this a big deal? Businesses are all about efficiency. RPA saves time, cuts costs, and frees people up to focus on creative work. Take an example, a bank automating loan approvals or a retailer managing inventory with bots. That's RPA in action. And here's the cool part. It's not just for big companies anymore. Small startups are jumping into this too. Basically, the automation craze is spreading everywhere. Now, here's where you come in. RPA developers are the geniuses who build these bots, design them, and launch them into company systems. You're like the king of automation, turning chaos into a smooth, perfect flow. So, who's an RPA developer? Picture yourself as a bridge connecting business needs with tech solutions. Your job is to look at a company's processes, like handling customer refunds or updating employee records, study them closely, spot the repetitive, boring stuff, and then create a bot to take over completely. You'll design workflows, maybe do a bit of scripting if needed, test your bots to make sure there's no mess up like clicking the wrong button, and then launch them live. The fun part, this role is super flexible. One day, you're in a meeting with business analysts figuring out why this refund system is so slow. And the next, you're building bots with your dev team. And here's a big secret, you don't need to be a coding genius to start. Tools like UiPath or Automation Anywhere have drag and drop features. It's like playing with Lego blocks. But if you love coding Python, Java, or C#, you can use those skills too and take your bots to the next level. Where are the jobs? Everywhere. Finance with banks, healthcare with hospitals, logistics with delivery companies, retail with stores, manufacturing with factories. Wherever there's a process, there's a need for an RPA developer. Now, let's talk about why you should jump into this career. In one line, it's a total game changer. The RPA market is growing like crazy. Research firms like Gartner and Forrester say it's hitting double-digit growth and will reach $13 billion by 2030. Why? Because companies are hooked on automation. It's like having the perfect worker who never gets tired, never asks for a day off, or demands a raise. What does that mean for you? A flood of opportunities. RPA developer jobs are popping up everywhere, but there aren't enough skilled people to fill them. Demand is high, supply is low. Perfect timing if you're job hunting. Salary-wise, it's awesome. In the US, entry-level RPA developers earn $70,000, $90,000 a year. With 2 to 3 years of experience, you're looking at $100,000, $130,000, or even more. In India, freshers get 5 to 8 lakh. But it's not just about money. This career gives you a clear growth path. Start as a junior developer, move to senior, then maybe become an automation architect or solution consultant. Dream big, and one day you could even lead a company's RPA Center of Excellence, be the boss of all automation. Plus, it's future-proof, as AI and machine learning mix with RPA. This field is only going to get hotter. Start learning now, and you could be the automation king of tomorrow. Let's get into the details. What skills do you need to rock as an RPA developer? I'll break it down into two parts: technical and soft skills. Stick with me. You'll get the full picture. Technical skills. 1. RPA tools: UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, or Microsoft Power Automate. These will be your best buddies. Master at least one, like knowing every button in UiPath. 2. Programming. Some coding in Python, Java, C#, or VB script is a must-have. Not essential at the start, but for big, complex bots, these skills are pure gold. 3. Databases. Basic SQL knowledge when bots need to pull or store data, like customer records or inventory updates. It's super helpful. For process analysis, you'll need to understand and map workflows, like making flowcharts with logic. That's a key skill. 5. AI. ML optional. A little know-how in AI like TensorFlow or basic machine learning concepts can set you apart as RPA evolves. Soft skills. Analytical thinking. You're like a detective finding automatable stuff in messy processes. Problem solving. Bots will break sometimes. You'll need to get creative to fix them. Communication. Explaining tech to non-tech people like managers or clients in simple terms is part of the gig. Attention to detail. One tiny mistake, like a bot clicking the wrong thing, and the whole system crashes. Details matter. Teamwork. You'll work with developers, analysts, and stakeholders. It's not a solo game. Ready to kickstart your RPA career? Here's your full roadmap: steps to success. I've added some extras, and I'll explain it all in detail. Build a tech base. No degree, no problem. A background in IT, computer science, or business helps, but you can start with beginner courses on Coursera, like IT Fundamentals or Udemy Basics. Learn RPA basics. Watch free RPA intros on YouTube. What is RPA? Videos or read blogs. Get familiar with terms like attended bots and unattended bots. It's your vocab boot camp. Pick an RPA tool. Start with UiPath. It's the best for beginners with a free community edition. You can also try trials of Automation Anywhere or Blue Prism. Download one and start playing around. Master the tool hands-on. Follow UiPath's free academy courses or Automation Anywhere University. Build a simple bot, like scraping data from a website or automating something in Excel. Add some coding. Learn Python or Java basics. Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, or YouTube have free resources. Try a small project like renaming 100 files to flex your coding muscles. Build a portfolio to show off. Create 3 to 5 projects. Automate email replies, a data entry bot, or invoice processing. Record screencasts of each and upload them to GitHub or LinkedIn. Employers love seeing this. Get certified. UiPath's RPA Developer Foundation is free, takes 20 to 30 hours. Automation Anywhere's Certified Essentials RPA Professional is around $100. Blue Prism has paid certs to pick one. Start networking. Join UiPath community, Reddit's RPA, or LinkedIn groups. Chat with RPA folks, get tips, and make connections. Polish your resume. Highlight your projects, certs, and skills on your resume. Keep it simple and clear. HR folks need to understand it easily. Land your first job. Apply for RPA trainee, junior automation developer, or RPA intern roles on LinkedIn, Indeed, or job boards. Even if you're self-taught, you've got a shot. Just stay confident. Certifications to boost your career. Now, certifications, these can make your resume shine. Here's the rundown. UiPath RPA Developer Foundation, free, online, done in 20 to 30 hours, perfect first step to learn the basics. UiPath Certified RPA Associate UiRPA, around $150, builds on the foundation, shows employers you're serious. Automation Anywhere Certified Essentials RPA Professional, about $100, a solid intro to their platform, good for variety. Blue Prism Developer Certification ADO1, $150 to $100 technical and highly valued in enterprise settings. Microsoft Power Automate RPA Developer, $165 pairs with Microsoft skills and future-proofs you. No career's perfect. RPA has its challenges too. Here they are with solutions. Process complexity. Problem: some tasks are super messy, exceptions everywhere, like refund rules changing per customer. Solution: break the process into small chunks, test each part, and build the bot step by step. Tool learning curve. Problem: every tool's different. Blue Prism can feel like a maze at first. Solution: focus on one tool to start, lean on free tutorials or forums. Stakeholder buy-in. Problem: teams worrying bots will take our jobs. Solution: explain that bots handle the boring stuff, freeing them for creative work. It's a communication game. Maintenance. Problem: company system updates and the bot breaks. Solution: build strong error handling into your bot and keep checking it with updates. It'll take some effort, but overcoming these challenges turns you into a pro. A question I get a lot: what's the difference between RPA and traditional programming? Let's compare. Work style. Traditional programming is coding from scratch, like building an app or website. RPA is mostly drag and drop, automating existing systems. Speed. RPA bots can be ready fast, a refund bot in a day. Coding an app might take weeks or months. Skills. RPA coding is optional, learning tools matters more. Programming is all about coding. Use case. RPA is for repetitive tasks like data entry. Traditional programming is for big projects like Netflix or an e-commerce app. Both are awesome in their own way, but if you want quick results and love process automation, RPA's your game. Now, who's hiring RPA developers? Check out these top companies. Deloitte, a consulting giant. Accenture, a big name in tech and automation. TCS, India's IT leader, huge in RPA too. Infosys, big automation projects. Wipro, growing their RPA teams. Amazon, in logistics and operations. What's next for RPA? It's evolving fast. AI and machine learning are blending with RPA. Imagine bots that learn, predict, and handle unstructured data like emails or voice. Heard of hyperautomation? It's RPA. People ask me stuff all the time, so let's tackle some common facts. Do I need coding for RPA? Nope, not at first. Drag and drop works fine, but coding's a bonus later. How long to get a job? With 3 to 6 months of hard work learning tools, building projects, you can land an entry-level gig. Is there scope for RPA in India? Absolutely. TCS, Infosys, startups all investing big in RPA. There you go, the ultimate guide to becoming an RPA developer. This career offers big money, huge demand, and a chance to shape the future. What's next? Download UiPath today, start a free course, and build your first bot this weekend. You've got this, just take the first step. If you loved this massive deep dive, hit that like button, share it with your tech friends, and subscribe for more videos like this.